Hi, and welcome to this video. In this video, I'll show you how to add Google Drive to File Explorer on Windows 11. Open any browser that you have and let's go to google.com/drive/download. Basically, what we're going to do is we will download Google Drive for our desktop. So as you can see here, go ahead and click on it. Give it a few seconds to finish the download. Once it's done, let's go ahead and open it. Now, if you prefer, you can also add an application shortcut to your desktop. Now let's go ahead and click install. Once that's done, go ahead and click launch. And then let's go ahead and sign in. Now when you open your File Explorer, it's added to your File Explorer. So as you can see here, these are the two folders that I have in my drive. Just to double check, these are the same ones that I have on the cloud using the browser. And then if you want to check your preferences for your Google Drive, you can go to your system tray down here on your bottom right. Click this arrow, and as you can see, here's the Google Drive icon. Just right click on it, and then you can go to settings. And then you can do changes from here, your preferences, and so on. And that's it. That's how you add Google Drive to File Explorer on Windows 11. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel.